Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will enable WSL and get a full Ubuntu shell now. Open an elevated power shell and run WSL install or enable the feature manually. Once done, launch Ubuntu and update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y, because up-to-date packages prevent toolchain conflicts. Install Build Essential and curl to ensure Python builds and downloads work. Make sure Windows Terminal is installed, and set your default profile to the new distro for faster access and consistent behavior. You now choose how to run Python. For system simplicity, use apt install Python 3 venv Python 3 pip, but if you need multiple versions, install pyenv and build the versions you want. Once a version is ready, create a project virtual environment with Python venv and activate it via source. venv/bin/activate. This keeps dependencies isolated. Install pips for standalone CLI tools and use pip install upgrade pip inside the venv, because predictable environments avoid dependency conflicts. You wrap up by integrating WSL into your workflow. Open project folders under /mnt/c or keep code in the Linux file system for performance. Launch VS Code with the remote WSL extension using code from the WSL shell. If you need GPU or containers, enable WSL2, install Docker Desktop or WSLG and configure drivers. If something breaks, examine path, file permissions, and confirm WSL is version 2. Then run WSL shutdown and relaunch Ubuntu to clear transient state and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.